everyone, and a huge welcome to Ayla's wonderful world. Today we're going on a super exciting journey. We're going to discover an amazing secret. How a tiny little thing turns into a fantastic frog. Are you ready for our adventure? Our story starts with tiny frog eggs. Mummy Frog lays them all together in the water, like a wobbly, see-through blob. Soon, these eggs will hatch into super wiggly tadpoles. From an egg to a tadpole. That's the next big step in our frog's journey. These little tadpoles have just hatched and they're super busy swimming all around, exploring their watery home. Our little tadpole is growing up so fast. Next, something amazing happens. It starts to grow two tiny legs at the back. And guess what else? Its long, wiggly tail begins to get shorter and shorter. Our tadpole is changing right before our eyes. Wow! Our tadpole keeps changing. Soon, it grows for strong legs, two at the front, and two at the back. Its long tail gets smaller and smaller until it's almost gone. Now, our little frog-to-be can start to hop on land and find yummy insects to eat. It's almost a grown-up frog. Look how much our little friend has changed. Now, our young frog has all four strong legs, and that little tail. It gets smaller and smaller and smaller until, poof! It's completely gone. This little frog is now ready for big adventures, both in the water and on land. And finally, our journey ends with a magnificent adult frog. This grown-up frog is super good at catching tasty insects with its long, sticky tongue. It can hop, swim, and croak happily. And guess what? When it's big and strong, it can even lay its own eggs, and the whole amazing story starts all over again. Isn't nature wonderful? Great job today, little explorers. If you loved our frog adventure, give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun. See you next time.
Isla's wonderful world.